Hi, my name is Patrice von Metzger, and I'm the owner of Sunflower Spa in Longmont, Colorado. My first exposure to Dory and InSPAration management was from a program that I purchased online for how to host and make better events. And we brought her event planning program back to our spa, and after a few false starts, we began to have events that generated lots of revenue. Our most recent event generated $35,000 in revenue in one night, and so I'm a proud graduate of her event program, and it interested me in joining her Leap Ahead seminar. And I've been here at her Leap Ahead seminar for the last 3 days, and what I've learned in this seminar and what I'm going to be able to take back will have a huge financial impact on my business, and I'm excited to say that I've become a member of her Platinum coaching, and I look forward to working with her all year long and transforming my business.